Pungos, Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to share with you guys another one of these awesome shockproof military drop grade protection cases here from the folks at Poetic. This is a great way here to be able to protect your phone. It's made out of high quality products. This is for the iPhone 15 Pro, and it's a great way here to be able to protect against, the brittleness of the back, which is something that I think everyone should be cognizant of. With that said, this is a sponsored video from the folks at Poetic. They sent this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. You guys can check that out here. It does help out the channel. Let's go and unbox this here and show you how you can protect your phone. Unboxing is super clean and easy. It's made out of materials here that can be recycled, which is nice. I like that pledge that they have. With that said, this is going to be a very straightforward matte black case, which is great. If you regret the color that you picked and you want to have something a little bit more masculine, you can opt into this two-fold case and silicone insulation here that you can opt into. I really like this because it's made out of this really high quality polycarbonate material, and then they've got a silicone rubber here that's going to provide you military drop grade protection. So bringing the case here together for the first time, you can see it's got these nice grooves in here to act as insulation. Air is the best insulator to protect against those mishaps. As you can see, I really like the build on this. Super straightforward to place it into your phone. Not very difficult to do so. It does add a little bit of thickness on the edges here, which is unfortunate. That's probably 1/4 of an inch total. However, I really like the sleek ergonomic design. It's easily grippy. It's got these nice rails here to not scratch against anything. You've got this extra protection for your palm, and then it doesn't push up against your screen protector, which is my favorite. I/O is just fine. Buttons are nice and clicky, including the action button. All that good stuff here is available for you. I like how you don't necessarily scratch the face of it because of the bezel, and then you got the protection on the camera bump right there, which is nice. I like that. With that said, here you do have option of Qi charging, not necessarily Magsafe. So if you wanted to, you could use a power bank here to charge directly wired, or if you wanted to, you can kind of set it on top of it and it'll still charge. Granted that you line it up here. There we go, it's starting to charge here, as you can see. So having this flat is not a problem. It's just, it won't stick because of the plastic. Nonetheless, if you wanted to have another one of these like 3-in-1, desk buddies here to be able to charge, it's got LEDs, it slaps right on there and starts charging. You can add your watch to it if you want as well. With that said, my pungos, I think this is a great option here to be able to have a nice minimalist, sleek look while giving you the maximum protection here that you need to protect your phone. These are very brittle as seen by some of the other durability tests, and having something like this I think is crucial. I really like still being able to see my white titanium juxtaposed against the black, matte black, and the orange, and I think this is an all-around nice phone here. With that said, the folks at Poetic did sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out, guys. It does help with the channel. Andy with Tech Influence. See you guys. Thanks. Bye.